Assalamu alaikum students, hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Take out your English Oxford Reading Circle book and place in front of you. Come at page number 156. Today we are going to start our term 2. This is our first poem. Title is Matilda Who Told Lies. So I am going to read for you. Listen to me carefully. Matilda told such dreadful lies, it made one gasp and stretch one's eyes. Her aunt, who from her earliest youth had kept a strict regard for truth, attempted to believe Matilda. The effort very nearly killed her, and would have done so had not she discovered this infirmity. For once, towards the close of day, Matilda, growing tired of play, and finding she was left alone, went tiptoe to the telephone, and summoned the immediate aid of London's noble fire brigade. Within an hour, the gallant band were pouring in on every hand, from Putney, Hackney, Downs and Bow. With courage high and hearts aglow, they galloped, roaring through the town. Matilda's house is burning down. Inspired by British cheers and loud, proceeding from the frenzied crowd, they ran their ladders through a score of windows on the ballroom floor, and took peculiar pains to sauce the pictures up and down the house, until Matilda's aunt succeeded in showing them they were not needed, and even then she had to pay to get the man to go away. It happened that a few weeks later, her aunt was off to the theatre to see that interesting play, The Second Mrs. Tanqueray. She had refused to take her niece to hear this entertaining piece, a deprivation just and wise to punish her for telling lies. That night a fire did break out. You should have heard Matilda shout. You should have heard her scream and bawl, and throw the window up and call to people passing in the street the rapidly increasing heat, encouraging her to obtain their confidence, but all in vain. For every time she shouted fire, the only answered little liar. And therefore, when her aunt returned, Matilda and the house were burnt. By Hilaire Belloc. Hilaire Belloc, 1870-1953, was born near Paris a few days before the start of the Franco-Prussian War. He and his sister were taken to England, but on their return, the family found their home had been utterly vandalized by the occupying troops. Belloc was educated in England, Birmingham, and Oxford. His first book was a small volume of verse, published in 1896, and from then on a flood of books, pamphlets, letters, and more poured from his pen. His work encompasses French and British history, military strategy, satire, comic and serious verse, literary criticism, topography and travel, translations, religious, social and political commentary, and hundreds of essays. These fill over 150 volumes. Belloc is among the great writers of English prose and verse. So students, the poem is about a girl who always tells lies when her aunt, who was a believer of truth, once she too believed Matilda when she called for help on telephone. She dialed the number of emergency fire service. But when they came to help her, it was confirmed that there is no fire, due to which her aunt gave some amount. As there is no fire in the house, so they have to pay some amount to firemen to go away. One night her aunt alone went to the theatre to watch play the second Mrs. Tanqueray. So Matilda was alone at home as punishment for telling lies. We know that she told a lie, her aunt. So her aunt gave her punishment that she stay at home alone. So that very night fire broke out in Real. So Matilda cried for help, but no one minded whatever she was saying, as they thought that she is telling lies. Rapidly heat increased and Matilda along the house was burned. And when her aunt came back from theatre, so she found that Matilda and house were burned. But so it was too late to do anything. So students, the moral of this poem that we should always tell the truth in any condition, because one should refrain from lying. So one day when you need someone to really believe what you are saying, they won't. So this is the main theme of the poem. We have to tell truth, we have to speak truth, and never tell a lies. So what you do students, words meaning and short note जो कि आपकी बुक में given है, you will do this in your exercise notebook, and question answers, word sentences, central idea, exercise आपके पास जो RTC की है वो आपको in picture form you will get very soon. All right, thank you.